bacon, chicken, ham, and cheese? Yes, please. Cordon Bleu coming up next. So it's a very simple recipe. We're going to start with our chicken breasts, or you can use thighs. And we're going to season it up here with some of this Kansas City inspired seasoning rub. I got it from Safeway. It's sweet and smoky. But you can use any old flavor you want for your chicken. This is just for the seasoning of the outer chicken breast. Then we're going to throw it in a gallon bag. Some people like to season it after they are done pounding out the chicken. But I seasoned it before. And then I'm going to grab a mallet and gently pound out the chicken so that it gets to about 1/4 of an inch thick. Then I'm going to take the ham. If you go to the deli, make sure you get the thinnest sliced ham you can get. It makes for a lot easier process. Just kind of stack it on the chicken. Once you're done, make sure you're washing your hands because you have touched raw chicken. Then you're gonna grab some cheese. I used provolone here. Any old provolone will do. I think I would have used more next time. Here I just threw on 2 slices. I think maybe 4 would have been perfect. Next, we're gonna roll the chicken together, kind of like a sushi roll, I guess, if you will. Just gonna kind of roll tightly and neatly roll it so that everything is encapsulated inside of the chicken breast. And once again, wash your hands. So we're gonna throw the chicken aside, lay down another mat or cutting board, and put down 3 to 4 slices of bacon, depending on how big your roll ended up. Next, we're going to place the chicken on the bacon and then repeat the process of rolling the chicken into, like I said before, a sushi type roll so that the bacon completely covers the chicken, or mostly covers the chicken. Lastly, you want to throw one more piece of bacon over the cross section side of the chicken so that you're getting the additional coverage on the outside edges. Next, you're going to grab a cookie sheet and spray it down with olive oil or butter. It's going to get messy inside of that smoker if we don't do this, with all the bacon and the chicken grease and cheese. Next, it's going to go on the smoker at a temperature of about 240 degrees, and you're going to cook it until you get an internal temperature of 165 degrees. And it's done. Next, it's time for the big internal reveal. Check this out. Beautiful. How many stars out of 5? 5? Yeah!